Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Mocktail Beauties 2017 and I'm Prerna here and I am in a village today. So you can see this beautiful view here, beautiful nature and all, coconut trees, mango trees, there you can see the big mountain, there is farmhouse. So beautiful view. So yeah guys, as I'm in my village today, I'll be showing you some our traditional dishes. And as you all know, this is field gram season, and let's prepare something with field gram today. And in between, I'll be showing you the nature view, something like this. It's so beautiful and greenery, guys. So yeah, now let's start the recipe. The recipe will be avare puri or field gram puri. It is also called as Balar Puri in Hindi. I can hear some creatures sound and all, small creatures, insect sounds and all here. You can see a big snail, I think, here. I'll show you. See, it's a big snail. It's a big snail here. So you can see this beautiful rangoli here. A lady is can see she's cleaning field grams, fresh field grams, guys. The seeds here. The lady, she's cleaning here. My daughter playing. Here you can see this man is taking water for the plants. Here you can see rooster. I'll show you king sized tender coconut here. Here you can see king size coconut, tender coconut. I'll show you. This is very big coconut, guys. In video I don't think it is showing you that big, but it's really so big which you can't get in city also. I actually don't get in Krishnagiri town itself. It's so big, and the water of this tender coconut is also, it's so delicious and tasty. You can see the greenery here. And I'll show you field gram where they grow it over there. You can see there, you know, that is where they grow field grams. I'll show you. These are field grams here, you can see. These are field grams here. See here, field grams, and this is a flower of field gram here. This is all field gram, and there is a small mango tree. Yeah guys, let's start with the Balar Puri recipe. As I'm in my village, I just wanted to show you the beauty of my village. It is so beautiful, I always admire this beauty every single time when I come here. So you can see the farmhouse over there and this land and all. It's so beautiful, guys. The farmhouse is surrounded, backside all it has mountains and all other stuff. These are goons which where we keep hens, roosters and all. Small mango trees. In this video you'll be enjoying beautiful views in between. Now I'm climbing this small mountain here so that I can show you mangoes of the farm. This is January first week and you can see mango in this farm. I'll show you. See, let's go to over there. Backside, this is farmhouse backside view. At rainy season you can see water flowing from these places and all. Over there also. So yeah, let's go and see mangoes. Actually you can't find mangoes at this season, that is January first week, but in this farm you can see mangoes in all seasons, all 12 months. You can see here. This is Sendura. This is Sendura mangoes. I'll show you. Let's go inside. See here. Only here you can find mangoes in all season. You can hear the creeping sounds of birds. See the mangoes here. Wow, beautiful. So yeah. So now let's go back to our kitchen. So for the Balar Puri, the ingredients are avarekai or field gram or ballar, what we say in Hindi, rock salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, coriander, onions, green chilies and oil for deep frying. So let's grind onion, green chili and ginger garlic paste first. Now I have grinded onion and green chili. I have not added garlic paste, ginger garlic paste because it's already grinded. And one more thing I have forget to add is this rice flour. Now here we have kept ballard or field gram to boil in water. Now I have added little turmeric powder in this, 2 spoons of turmeric powder. Let's stir this. Let's close the lid and let it to boil. Now you can see the water is boiling. Now let's add in salt, rock salt. Red chili powder, grounded mixture, onion and green chili mixture. ginger garlic paste, let this come to a boil. Now the filled grams have been boiled and cooked nicely. We have taken the rest of water here, remaining water which was more in that water. You can use this while kneading the dough. Now this is cooked, let's switch off the flame. Now we had added coriander leaves. Now we are adding rice flour. Let's mix this nicely. This is one of our traditional village dish. Let's mix this nicely to form a dough. This to a dough. It's very hot, let's leave it to cool a little. So now this is ready. Now let's pat this like this, like this is the traditional way of patting puris and all. This is the traditional way of patting Balar Puri.
बना उठा लग जाते इसके तुम
Now let's fry this. Now let's deep fry this till golden brown. So now the Balar Puri is ready. It tastes very delicious. Please try it once. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video. If you have any doubts, comment below. Thank you.